Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file a claim on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, if you bought something on Facebook Marketplace and something went wrong, like you don't get the item, it was damaged or the seller disappeared, I will show you the how to file a claim using just your iPhone. First, open the Facebook app, tap the menu button in the bottom right that says 3 lines. Now tap the marketplace, find the order that has problem and tap on it. Scroll down and tap get help or report a problem. Facebook will now ask what went wrong. Choose the option that fits your situation like item never arrived, it not earned as described, seller stop responding. After that, Facebook will ask if you already contacted to the seller. If you haven't, do that first. Facebook usually request it. If the seller doesn't respond or refuse to help, go back and tap file a claim. Now fill out the form, explain what happened in simple words, add screenshot or message. Once you are done, tap submit. Facebook will review the claim. This usually takes few days. If your purchase was paid through Facebook checkout, you may be able to refund under purchase protection. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.